Oh.
Yeah, ito hindi. Yes.
Where we're
Only this
going?
one.
We're going.
We're going for the, I don't know where it's tower. What's that?
No, we're
Tower,
going
tower,
dinner.
tower.
We're going dinner.
Yeah, we're going dinner
Tonight.
after the tower because Mark is paid for this. Vlogger. This is my baby.
Okay.
Look at my baby.
Baby fantasy.
I'll come back for you, baby. Okay. Hindi na kami for Father's Day. But after the tower. I don't know what's in there in the tower.
Tower.
I will goodbye to Marcus na ano dun eh.
Nang?
Entrance.
Ngayong gabi?
Yeah, we're going there now. 7 p.m. daw yun.
Tapos mag-dinner.
Yeah, after that.
Oh, nice.
Ang ganda talaga. Alam mo, maganda. Hi, class touchdowns. Yeah. Oh my God.
Where do Papua? No. We're gonna go to Papua.
Open yan everything.
Can I go put
You know what?
Papua?
Yeah.
It's so expensive to let the kids read. Yeah.
Yan yung church guys.
You know what? No, walang revolto. Ay, punta ako dito. Gonna have a look at the ocean. I don't know what it is. We can see. What? What a view. Nice. Tapos nila guys, oh. Yan. Wala silang mga revolto. Cross lang.
Wala, 100,000 megit sa yen. Isang way pa lang yun.
Hmm.
Pabalik na naman 100,000. Nasa naman. Mahal. Grabe.
Ka. Lawak, oh.
Yung nga lang. Yung lagi alam ko ano ito mali.
Conference. Ay, grabe. Lawak. Utility space.
You go walk there and tell us.
Hindi na makuha yung restaurant guys. Gutom na ang mga tao dyan. Makita restaurant dito sa loob na.
Ganda ng ano, presentation ng puting flower, oh. Flower ba yan? Ganda, oh. Have a look. Ganda. Tuwa mga bata, oh. Ang lawak. No?
It's too far. Hurry up.
Come forward a bit. Yeah, forward. Forward.
Oh, we've got a company.
Forward. Go forward to Bella. Okay. Green light. Red light. Bella.
Now she made it.
Green light.
Red light. Come back, traffic light. Come back.
Hurry up, we're hungry.
No, what's this?
One more step.
Oh my God, it's too hot.
Here we are.
Ay, this very sorry, so hot. Ano po pala ito? Luma lang yun. May menu book naman yata din eh.
Say wah wah wah. You said it when I was around, so you must have, as I said.
Thanks, Leo.
This one?
This is more hours. This is more food.
Nice. Stay, Leah, Jeremy, come. What? Mayroong Maria Maria, oh. Ah, tino-tino to. Grabe. Yan ang preserve nila, tino-tino. Nana po yung Maria Maria. Grabe, ang galing.
Ayan guys, ang Caesar salad ko. Direct.
Super, so good.
Gutom pa na, no? Si Direct guys, inom na, inis ako. Everyday na rinig ko, set ulo ko, walang tigil sa inom eh. Order namin ni Albert Design. Grilled fish, salmon, with Caesar salad.
Do you like the apple juice?
No, you don't. You don't like apple juice. You only like water.
You know what, no water? Right, don't push it like that.
Ang coco po yellow eh. May upo pa naman ako. Oh, yung fish ko.
Catfish.
Too hot.
Ayan na yung order. Ito lang order dito.
Stop stomping your feet. I'm gonna cut off your feet. Sige.
Thank you. Mmm. That's supposed to be my order. That's supposed to be my order.
Yeah, but she ordered that before I did too.
That's supposed to be my order, remember?
Yeah.
This is raw. Kana will eat that.
Yeah, try and find a little bit more sweet.
Good morning guys. Breakfast tayo. First day breakfast dito sa Grand Hotel.
Okay natin yung pagkain. Pagkain. Ito yung ano nilang bape. Ano, coffee dito. Coffee. Parang adobo yun.
Look, this is pasta.
Ate Tita,
I ate it. I want
You know where it is?
Yeah,
Can you get it? You want some later?
I want to come.
what's in the breakfast mo?
Bacon, sausage, fish,
Fish yan, yung pula.
salmon,
O salmon.
spring roll, chicken. My favorite salad.
Salad. Xin chao. What you having? Grapes.
Say hi. Sausages.
What you having? Grapes.
Papadala to finish. Elena.
When do you want to come to here?
Elena, could you finish my food, please? I don't want anymore. Come here. Finish my food. Nice? Nice? Answer me. Nice? Elena, answer me. Nice? You don't answer me.
Hi, Layla.
Elena, look the camera.
What are you doing? Cuckoo caca.
How's the go? Good?
Hi, Papa Justin.
Hello.
Ask Elena how's the food.
Elena, how's the food? Who's your favorite, Elena?
Lola, of course.
Who's your... Yay!
Not Lola.
Why ate kita? I don't like.
Elena, you better listen to Lola or else I follow you.
Listen to Lola.
Are you gonna listen to Lola? You're not gonna listen to Lola, I follow you.
You always be good.
Hey, Elena. You want follow? Are you gonna listen to...
I love you, Lola.
I love you, baby. Are you gonna listen to Lola? Yeah. You're so cute, yeah? You love Lola? Who's your favorite now? Who's your favorite? Lola. what about Auntie Francia? Not good?
I said good.
Yeah, it's good. So you better eat more
Huh?
if it's good.
That's the
You like the food? I don't think Leo enjoy the food.
water.
Leo,
Where's the water?
Behind.
Oh, that's the water.
ay Francia, how's the ano pala?
When we finish
Work yesterday, okay na sila?
the water,
The other day? Everything's okay?
only one? Yes. She really wants to touch the water.
Which one?
I want to go check the water.
Water? No, wait for daddy.
Hey. That. Clap your hand. Clap your hand.
Do a haircut. Bruh.
I didn't get haircut here. It's so expensive.
Uncle banana. I put water on your camera.
Nah.
Yeah.
It's a waterproof.
It is waterproof. I should throw it into the water. You'll swim together.
Look, handsome Jeremy. Look at me. Look at me. Here.
Stop.
Come on. Fix your hair.
No.
Mm.
Hi guys. Tatay punta direct.
Disneyland ba yan?
Hello, mister. Ayan lang.
Hindi ako
Tapat lang ng ano namin.
hindi yan.
Ayan na yung connected ka lahat yan. Oh.
See that?
Ayun pa oh.
See that?
Oh, bullet train. Ay, hindi nata yung bullet train. ayun na sila. Oh. Ito ang little namin. That's it. You're not listening to Lola. You said you promised me you're gonna listen to me. Are you listening to me now? Alright, follow. I like this. Look at this. It's so cute. I want to have one of these. Si Mouse Bell.
No.
I'll give it back to the shop.
No.
Or can I have that one? Yeah? Which one you want? Mickey Mouse or that one?
You can only get it
Which one? Two. Only one. Which one you want?
two.
One for me and one for you. I want... Ayan ang bus namin.
Get the ride to the bus.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Ayan na ang mga papunta sa...
こちらバスご案内はベイサイドステーション行きになります。
Ba't yan ka? Ayaw mo dito? Dito daw. Dito ka. Dito meron pa.
This was the go fast. You just have to be careful that. And when we go to the train,
Mali ang direction ni Atty. Tuson. Yung travel agent namin, mali. Ay, aakit pala tayo dito platform. O, ano ka, Albert? Patayin mo lang si Elena. Or you can even do it like that.
改札口行き上りエスカレーターです。乗り降りの際はお足元にご注意ください。エスカレーターを利用の際はベルトにつかまる
Upo tayo ah. Dahil upuan dun oh. Excuse me. Disneyland. Disneyland Station. Oh God. Lagay siya niyo.
Ang init.
Mainit? Lawak dito?
Kaya na nakikita
Ha?
natin sa kanya. Nakikita natin sa
Dito na tayo sa entrance mga kaibigan. Ayan, sa malayo. Pwede natin isong makikita natin. Yan, marami na tao. Ah. Ast. Grabing lawak, no? Ang lawak.
Same-day tickets cannot be purchased at the park ticket booths. To find out if your ticket is valid for today's admission,
Ha?
please refer to the Tokyo Disney Resort.
Ito yung pangbunga nila mga kaibigan. Ganda. Malapalasyo. Yan, pangalawang bungad nila mga kaibigan. Hindi pa tayo nakapasok sa loob. Dito pa lang tayo sa entrance. Sa entrada. Grabing init dito sa Japan. Ayan guys. maraming tao. Ay, malayo pa yung pinaka-entrada nila mga kaibigan. Ayun, makikita natin dito, Malapalasyo na. Oh. Ganda ng loob. Oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh, Malapalasyo sa loob mga kaibigan. Ayun, oh. Yan. Malayo pa yan. Alright, may palabas dito. Ha? Little Ducky. Ayan mga kaibigan, nakapasok na tayo sa area. Ganda ng balloons. Dami. Grabing init mga kaibigan. Malayo pa yung pinaka ano nila, oh. Pinali. Yan, oh. Parang ano lang eh. Para mala fairy tale movie. Yan, oh. Siguro mga kaibigan, tignan natin. Whew! Grabing init sa labas. Pero pag pumasok ka sa mga shop, aircon naman pala, malamig. Pero dito, grabing init. Ano? Mainit yan?
Yan po yung pwede sa'yo.
Mainit. Alam mo, kita ko na yung price eh. 4K. Yan, oh. Kulang lang 100.
Grabe, ano?
Ting, 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 ting. Expire. Ha?
It's red.
Oh, good, oh, good.
I don't know.
You say, Jeremy, you say, hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Everyone. Hello everyone.
Come. Or what about this one? I'll get this one.
This one daw?
I can pay for two, but I'll have enough.
Oh yeah, ba?
Boy, back to Laguna anyway. You don't need to shop anyway.
How much money do you have?
Last, this is our last shopping later.
Give me your 2,000. What's happening? It's because you don't want to give me, I'll give
Well, I
you.
only have one more of 5,000. Why not? One more of 5,000.
So I'll give you this one. Yeah, $2,000. Then I'll pay this.
Is that you give your Lola? Jeremy?
This is to pay.
For
I
Jeremy,
pay
give.
500. Wait, you have to pay first. Only pay so you know. You pay there.
Yeah.
This is Japan Disneyland. Huge area. Ganda, no?
Cinderella.
Ice cream, oh. You want ice cream? Ice cream. Ay, grabing lawak. Yan guys, oh. Grabe, sa pelikula ko lang ito na nakita. Sa likod ng kamera ko lang yan nakikita dati. Ngayon, tignan natin mamaya. Lawak ng area. Ang lawak ng area. Sobrang init lang kasi mga kaibigan, kaya medyo difficulties maglakad-lakad. Maganda ito mamayang hapon eh. Ayan, grabing init. Ganda mga kaibigan. Mainit, grabing init kaibigan. Ganda dito. Sarap maligo. Sarap maligo. Mayroon dito. Ayan na naman. Mascot na naman mga kaibigan. No? Gusto ng mga bata ito eh. Kaya... Ayan. Guys, masarap maligo dito ngayon, oh. Wala naliligo eh. Ganda, malinis. Nice. Alright, sana naman tayo nito. Ang init. Lapit na tayo sa malaking palasyo. Lawak nito mga kaibigan. Kung maghapon talagang lakaran nito, exercise na lang. Doon, no? Mayroon pa doon. Puta, ano men? Parang yung burik. Pamura tayo tuloy, hindi wala sa oras ah. Alright, lapit na tayo guys. Ang malaking palasyo. Ito na yung pinaka-pinali nila eh. I'm not sure kung mayroon pa sa iba, pero ito lang nakikita kong pinaka-highlight. Huh? Papasok tayo. Yan, habang dumadaan sa napakagandang tulay. Yan, ito pa talaga, mga kaibigan. Where are they? Sana. Ang bilis naman ng mga kasama ko. Hindi ko na makikita mga kaibigan. Alright. Papasok tayo sa... Hindi natin alam kung anong... Cinderella to? Akala ko Temple of the King eh. Ayun oh. And my sorrow will be and my crying in the rain. Grabe. Yeah, with us. Or belong with us. Thank you. Thank you. Cinderella. Cinderella.
Si Jerry na dyan. Akala ko show ito. Wow, that is so nice.
Where's the head?
Don't touch it. Get up. Anyone there?
Hi, Cinderella. Hello, the camera, Cinderella.
I see her. I see that very much in front
Cinderella.
of the door.
Say hello to the camera. It's set. Tapos na.
Exit na.
Ito na yung pinali.
Akala ko may show.
Picture. Picture lang. Dito magandang spot. Ha? Wala pa eh. Ano? Wala. Ay, dito na tayo sa baba mga kaibigan. Ayun sila oh. Yun, Pransya oh. Pransya, dun. Boom.
Si Albert eh.
Huh? Guys, next Kingdom Treasure.
Andiyan na, hintay ko. I'm waiting for him now.
Wow. Mga souvenir na naman dito guys. Souvenir. Ang ganda dito mga kaibigan.
Hanapin mo muna yung from ni Albert.
Bakit kunin mo?
O kasi may nandito birthday. Binigyan niya.
Sumakay pala si Albert.
Gusto mo bili ice cream doon?
Tara, punta tayo. Akin na. Bili ako ice cream.
lang yung bouquet na.
Ha?
Yung bouquet.
Okay. Isa lang? Saan ba yung ice cream? Hanapin natin yung ice cream mga kaibigan. Parang wala man dito ice cream. Ito daw, hindi naman ice cream to eh. Pagkain to mga kaibigan. Yan oh, wala. Wala dito. Ha? Mukhang maganda dito. Ay, ito yung sa kabila tayo daanan eh. Dito, sa lubong din eh. Tech deal. Ganda oh. Ang ganda dito. Sulit na sulit. Ano ko? Restaurant ah. Oh, yan oh. Basahin mo kasi yan oh. Ano kaya dito? Ayun yun yung restaurant. Pasok ka kaya dahil sundan na lang kita mamaya kung magkuha lang ako dito. Huwag kang malis ha. Ah, dito pala yung boat ride. Ang ganda sa taas oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Look at that. What an amazing view. Oh, ang ganda dito mga kaibigan. Wow. Magellan, Magellan. Ang galing. Oo. Pwede sumakay dyan mga kaibigan. Ikot. Ganda. Muna tayo. Mark Twain Riverboat.
I'll ask.
Okay. Ito guys oh. Sayang hindi kami makasakay, yung ticket namin boat online eh. Nang doon sa isang kasama namin. Ah, dito pala umiikot. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Barko ni Magellan. Ang galing. Malaki ng ilisin niya oh. Parang welcome aboard. Ang ganda dito. Oh, ang ganda dito mga kaibigan. Hmm? Wow. Waterfalls. Sa isang place doon, look, ano eh, scary movie. Dito naman, Malaperitel, oh. Oh, Malaperitel naman dito yung place, mga kaibigan. Doon sa kabila, akala mo, ano eh, Warsum. Ito, Peritel, oh. Isa.
Tell the boys